We are delighted to have you back on the Coinceras channel. The movement of funds will alter in response to our increased focus on payments and finances, as well as all other societal shifts. At this present moment, our entire world is digitized. In addition, the handling of our funds is still heavily reliant on paper-based procedures and paper. Given this, it's easy to see how money is changing and moving toward faster transactions. Fast payments are now the standard across Europe, as this report from May 18 makes clear. Although it was revised in May of 2024, this article was originally published in 20.2. Fast payments have surpassed all others as the preferred way of payment for consumers and companies in the European Union and the United Kingdom. A number of groups are attempting to improve the financial system and increase the availability of quick payments, including the European Commission. However, challenges abound in major projects. Both screenshots were highlighted in my latest essay that was published on the 19th. Good luck to you throughout the off-season. Find out where the top players are putting their money with the help of this comprehensive list of resources. This has the potential to provide you with an excellent ROI. I have thoroughly researched and rated the 30 crypto jewels that I am offering as prizes. You can get these 2 manuals for free. One of the links in the explanation below will allow you to claim your access immediately. I don't understand why you're not actively working. Get this before the season changes for the better. Like you, I observed that Ripple has revised an article from 2022 about the imminent adoption of online payment systems in Europe. What was it about this that piqued my interest enough for me to want to find out more? Since MiCA is establishing the framework for digital asset regulation in Europe, it is crucial to closely monitor current events inside the EU for the reasons mentioned before. Here are a few important takeaways from the story. A summary of the article's main points is provided below. Additionally, we have achieved a milestone. Quick payments are gradually replacing more traditional methods in the European Union and the United Kingdom. Focus all of your intellect on the European Union and the United Kingdom. There are 2 main areas to consider when it comes to payments. We are aware, for instance, that the United Kingdom is once again the world leader in the foreign exchange market. Concentrate on that area. In the pursuit of its goals of establishing a robust financial infrastructure and guaranteeing the availability of quick payments, the European Commission is making impressive progress. The Third Payment Service Directive and the Payment Services Rule were introduced by ECS in June 2003 to accommodate the rapid expansion of electronic payments. Our proposal includes a number of features, including a range of payment options, consumer safeguards, transparent and quick financial transactions, and standardization within the European Union. As things stand, the gaps and expenses instant euro payments are only offered by a third of EU payment processors. In the Eurozone, up to 70 million accounts do not have the capability to process quick payments. Each expedited payment can cost up to €30. Reducing fraud is the primary goal of PSD3 and PSR measures. Prompt the advancement of open banking, clarify the rights and responsibilities of consumers regarding data sharing, and standardize legislation for electronic money and payment institutions to foster the development of novel financial goods and services. The area of single payment is also a target. By establishing uniform domestic payment rates, the European Union hopes to pave the way for a unified payment region that will make international money transfers simple and secure. Between the 22nd and second quarters of 2023, the processing volumes of the quicker payment system in the UK saw a tremendous growth. The Payments Service Systems Regulator in the United Kingdom is actively promoting system integration and interbank transactions as part of the upcoming new payments architecture. 2 Financial Communications Standards, ISO 221 supporting real-time payments products and richer transaction data highs and lows, will be generated by the new payments architecture. Concerns regarding the proliferation of quick payment providers have long plagued conventional banks. Based on a PwC poll, 42% of participants anticipate that international, cross-currency, and particular business-to-business payments will gain momentum in the coming 5 years. Page 27. The state of pan-European payment collaborations, trends indicating their influence, and obstacles stemming from competing interests and a lack of participation. The European Central Bank is contemplating a digital euro as a means to modernize business-to-business and business-to-consumer payment systems. As a consequence, the system would be strong, dynamic, and full of ideas. By 2028, experts predict that the global interest in digital currencies will surpass 90%. Most central banks are currently looking into or testing CBDCs, in my opinion. Many think that the EU's innovative payment rails and digital-first agenda will give it an edge in the global financial climate shifts that are coming, which will affect digital assets in general. At a time when interest groups supporting central banks are considering regulations and applications for next-gen technologies, this is more important than ever. Yes, I understand. It is now widely believed that Europe is leading the charge. Having connections to MiCA will greatly increase your chances of success, as Europe is usually the first to start the transition. Finally, I think the digital financial system is going to be massively implemented because of the upcoming hyperdrive in Europe over a huge shift in crypto legislation and crypto's eventual adoption. Ripple has provided us with a significant update in this area. That is why it is imperative that we review this once more. To improve our clients' payouts in GBP and Euros, Ripple collaborated with Clear Junction. By combining our efforts, we can streamline the process of sending money abroad for clients in the UK and beyond. All of the Ripple partners in the above breakdown share a common objective: to improve the efficiency of cross-border payments between the EU and the UK. The agreement was announced today by Ripple, a market leader in blockchain and cryptocurrency solutions, and Clear Junction, a world pioneer in cross-border payment solutions for regulated institutions. We knew that already, but the spot is ideal for Ripple due to the Clear Junction. We are able to provide our clients with payout coverage in both GBP and Euro when they send payments into the UK and the EU, since our use cases were immediately accommodated. Their executive team is well versed in international banking and cross-border payments, and they maintain solid relationships with many of their present clients. We are eagerly anticipating the addition of Clear Junction to our system. Furthermore, we consider this as merely the beginning of our partnership. Clear Junctions can guarantee the safety of its business partners' funds because it is a UK-based, FCA-authorized electronic money institution that uses appropriate payment industry and data security measures. The fact that Clear Junction has attained ISO 27001 certification, the global gold standard for enterprise data security, is more proof of their dedication to operational security requirements. Clear Junction is thrilled to collaborate with Ripple on this project, which involves cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Because our current products and services are adaptable to both the fiat and cryptocurrency markets, we are always looking for new opportunities to expand our business. Two companies enhancing one another's offerings is the essence of this partnership. We hope to keep in regular contact with the Ripple team and are open to discussing potential future collaboration prospects. Oh, and I almost forgot, Ripple payments are the magic ingredient that makes it all work. More than 90% of the world's foreign exchange market is covered by Ripple's 80 payment markets, and the platform has hundreds of users across 6 continents and 55 countries. The video is now ended. If you could subscribe and give my channel a like, it would mean the world to me. Please go, I'm very grateful.